Right here.
Right.
Firstly, I'd like to apologise because this movie is unfocused to shit. But
It's focused now, Matty's refaced Matty's refaced his focus.
You're a cunt!
the fire's kind of progressed. It's not that big. Ow! Somebody just smashed me with a branch. What?
I apologise to everybody for throwing the petrol. I did not mean it.
Hey Charlie, you mad? So mad? How mad are you?
Mate, that fucking light, Jesus Christ.
That fucking light. Oh.
See how hardcore my eyes are?
Your eyes are hardcore.
They're so hardcore.
My eyes are so hardcore that
Matty making love to a tree here.
Idle, give a hand.
lifting it out,
Matt, thrust it.
Just lift it up. Lift it up over there. Right, that end.
It's a big boner he's got there.
Thrust it.
my hat back.
A two-man job here. Alright, get that.
Do not listen to it.
Jamie, Team Whitey. Team WhiteyTV, it's live.
Oh, my favourite live show. Team WhiteyTV is my favourite. Everyone love this show.
Yes.
Yeah.
And add to that, Ross.
I have to agree with Jamie.
He agrees with you, Jamie.
I'm so glad that Ross agrees with me because Ross is my favourite person right now. Everyone, my favourite. Oh, Team WhiteyTV, live for it, die for it.
Live, it's live.
Oh, live audience, Mum.
Dedicated to WhiteyTV. I know you're watching, Mum.
We're sparking up fags left, right and centre, boys.
Not me.
I need to look cool for the camera.
Right.
Can we take a close up on your shoes?
This is how the cool
We don't have the JK trainers on today though.
We have normal shoes. Normal shoes.
They're not normal, they're covered in.
I'm sorry guys for... I was going to bring the Reeboks out, but we decided to scrap the Reeboks this year. Decided to take it in a new direction.
Did you see the Reeboks last year?
Saw them, they were sensational.
They were absolute classics.
I remember last year, like I brought in my Reeboks and they were pretty awful.
You should have seen Jamie's speech, it was really emotional.
It was really sad,
Do you want to make
everyone
one
was
tonight?
crying, there was tears coming out my eyes.
Would you like to make a speech tonight?
I'm not ready for a speech, I haven't prepared a speech for tonight.
You prepared one last time, it was really good. You could feel it, feel the emotion.
Feel the emotion.
Lift it up again and I'll break it.
I think that's another fantastic interview.
Thank you.
Charlie's face.